came out here to oh my god. Okay. I came out here to shoot a sunrise because I'm using an application and it said that today the sunrise is going to be spectacular. But instead, there is something very interesting happening there up there in the sky. I'm sorry, I just wanna, like, what's happening? There is the sun and in the clouds. There is like a round circle, like a halo, sun halo, I think it's called. But also there is like a black line. I mean, this is exactly what I thought today, this morning, that it's funny how life happens in front of your eyes. Maybe you're planning something and then it turns out somehow else and you are like devastated that, oh my God, it didn't happen the way how I actually wanted it. But then you realize that, oh my God, that was the right way actually for me to this thing to turn out this way. Like, this is the perfect example of that. I was planning to have an amazing sunrise shoot and I was quite sad that, it's cloudy and it's not so beautiful, but then I see this thing and it's crazy. I mean, I have never seen anything like this before.
You want an avocado?
Well, hello, beautiful people. If you have seen one of my previous videos, then this place probably is familiar for you, but I know it looks completely different now. It's 28th of February, the last official day of winter. I mean, I know it sounds a little bit funny to say that, and I'm sitting like this outside, and it's a beautiful, beautiful day. But this is Milos, so. And now everything is buzzing around me. There are so many flowers, I cannot even believe it. Like, it's really unbelievably green, everything. I think this bird is like right here. And I see it. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my god, it was right next to me. There is like a big bush. So I haven't been here for a long time now. I just came here to take my daily dose of energy from the place and just to talk to you guys a little bit. Because it's 28th of February, our season is very close to start. Actually, we will open our business on the 20th of March. So basically we have 20 days to prepare everything, to prepare ourselves for the season, which is always a little bit of a hard task for me. Somehow, I always have this thought that, oh my god, the winter just passed so extremely fast. So I didn't do this and didn't do that, or didn't do the third thing that I wanted, and I didn't use my time wisely. But this is really, every year is the same. So, and I know that it's not true because we did a lot of things this winter. So this year I'm really, really trying my best to prepare myself for the beginning of the season, because I believe that in that way I will have a much smoother start and I'm gonna be much calmer that way. I'm in the process of letting go of my stress. It's 1st of March today, and there is a custom here in Greece that if you wear a bracelet, which is this bracelet right here, a white and red little bracelet, then the meaning is that you're not gonna get sunburned during the summer. As the sun sets, a golden glow stretches across the island. The wind carries the scent of salt and wild herbs, whispering of change. Spring is coming, soft and slow. For months, the island has been resting, but now everything is shifting. The hills, once bare and dry, are bursting with color. Everything feels alive again. This is my favorite time of year, the in-between, when the island is still quiet, but you can feel the shift, like a deep inhale before summer. Soon, life on the island will change. Boats will arrive, bringing people from far away. Streets will fill with laughter and with new stories. And I want to meet it differently this time, with more ease, more trust, less of the weight I've carried before. Because life on the island teaches you that everything moves in cycles. The quiet days never last forever, but neither does the rush. For now, I take in this moment the feeling of being exactly where I need to be. And thank you so much for being here with me. I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care and let the changing seasons bring you something beautiful